Today, my human and me are attempting to make a song about me and how I'm a beautiful, beautiful star. Well, I guess so. She made up the lyrics. Okay, I'm taking the paper. I'll hold it for you here. I'm a paper bag. Wait, I'm stop it right there. Hey, people, I'm not a paper bag. Do I have to explain to you how I made you? This video is now called The Story of How You Can Make a Puppet. So, I'm going to draw steps on here. So, step 1 is pretty easy. Get a paper lunch bag. You know those ones that you use? So, you write down right here, 1. Oh wait, I need something better to draw with. So sorry. So, we would write 1, paper lunch bag. You spell that P-A-P-E-R-L-U-N-C-H-B-A-G. Paper lunch bag. This does not really write very well. Put the cap back on. And see if I can go reach to get it. Come on. Got it. So, like I was saying, 1, you gotta write down paper lunch bag. Because what else would you use for the puppet? 1, paper lunch bag. Glue googly eyes. I love googly eyes. And the rest of it, I'm not going to write down. 3, need her mouth. Draw on a mouth and decorate. 4, glue cotton balls and yarn as details wherever you would like. I only need these for a couple days. Boom, 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 boom. There, now we got that tuffet of hair effect. So, how you like my new haircut? Yeah? Coco, I'm gonna be honest. You look like Albert Einstein. Wow. Then you can like customize, put yarn and stuff wherever you'd like. Write your name. Almost revealed my. That could have been bad. And yes. And also, if you really want to get into it, you can draw on teeth, which I did. Yeah, so I can chew. That's how to make a paper puppet. I'm a paper puppet. Paper puppet. Paper puppet. Paper puppet. I guess that's your song now. Yeah.